This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your PC has a Bluetooth radio or a plugged-in dongle and that you have administrative rights. Once done, open the system area where Device Settings Live. On Windows, use Settings. On macOS, use System Preferences. On Linux, check Settings or a Hardware Manager. You do this because the OS exposes Bluetooth controls differently. Identifying the correct panel now saves time. Next, locate Device Manager or System Report to see the adapter listed before attempting to enable it. Now you enable and locate the Bluetooth interface. On Windows, go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices and flip the toggle. If missing, open Device Manager and look for Bluetooth entry or unknown device. On Mac OS, open System Preferences Bluetooth and turn it on. If not shown, check the System Report under Hardware. On Linux, open Settings Bluetooth or run Bluetooth tool in a terminal to power on the controller. Make sure to install or update drivers if the adapter is missing, because driver issues often hide the device. Finish by pairing and verifying the device. Put your headset, mouse, or phone into pairing mode and choose it from the OS Bluetooth list. Once connected, verify functionality. Play audio or transfer a file to confirm two-way communication. If the adapter doesn't appear, make sure the Bluetooth service is running, reinstall or update the adapter driver, or try a different USB port for dongles. Key troubleshooting tip: disable and re-enable the adapter or reboot. That often restores visibility and resolves common stack or driver glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.